get down tonight. Ooh, baby, I'm home, just like an oven. Ungi bambela, ungi tintela, please ungi bambe bambe, ungi tinte tinte. I need some loving, and baby I can't hold it much longer. It's getting stronger and stronger, yeah. It feels so quiet in here, just the way I like it. Just you and me, we made it forever. I look in the mirror and I love what I see, because I know you are looking at me. This body is yours alone. No one else comes close. My heart is your home. You make me feel sexy. You make me feel whole. Healing my body, healing my soul. The world outside is crazy, but in here we are lazy. Wrapped up in your arms, safe from all the harms. Oh, you give me that sexual healing. Your love is healing my mind. It's a feeling. We are settled now, standing on solid ground. The ring on my hand, the peace that I found. Sexual healing, ungi bambela, tinte tinte, ungi bambela, tinte tinte, ungi bambela, tinte tinte, ungi susala, ungi bekele, ungi susale, ungi sale, ungi isabezulu, ungi susala, ungi bekele, ungi susale, ungi sale, ungi isabezulu. Baby, you are my home, and when I get that feeling, I want sexual healing. Sexual healing is good for me, makes me feel so fine. It's such a rush, helps to relieve the mind, and it's good for us. Sexual healing, baby, it's good for me. Sexual healing is something that's good for me. Well, it's good for me, and it's so good to me, my baby. Oh. by side, flesh to bone. Even in death you won't be alone. That's the feeling I am talking about, that eternal love.